Hey, what's going on, guys? Outdoors with Kevin. Outdoors, well, kind of. I'm out in the city, opening up boxes and checking stuff out. So, hey, we're gonna do a quick unboxing video of the Diode Dynamics Kuat rock light kit. So I've got the Ibex system right here, and I want to put some big bright lights on the side of the truck, so when I'm pulling up to camp, I can set up everything and just light up the woods. It's gonna be awesome. So here's our little rock lights right here. So Stage Series rock lights, Diode Dynamics, and if you're a part of the outdoor community, you know that Diode Dynamics makes really high quality stuff. So I'm really excited to try these things out. 10 watts, 1,000 lumens. Let's pull this thing apart and see what we got here. So it comes with a zip tie and a screw. We've got the light itself, really small, pretty streamlined, 1,000 lumens, which makes sense nowadays with technology. You buy a little flashlight, it's got 1,000 lumens. And I love that simplicity. It's got a little plug right here. These are gonna mount on the side of the Ibex right here. And I'll show you guys how that's gonna work, but you can put 2 of these on here on both sides and light up the entire side of the truck. How nice is that gonna be? To be able to illuminate each side, that's gonna be a really cool thing. So what's also cool is in the kit, it's about 300 bucks. It's got everything you need to wire this thing up. It has the full wiring harness kit with the switch and a fuse. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got the rocker switch and it's got 2 sides, so high and low, which is a really cool thing. So you can mount the switch right up front in the truck. It has 4 pins right here into 1. So this will connect into your wiring harness. And then all 4 have one of these. So there's 4 of these full wire kits, and these all connect to here and then connect to the back of your rock light. Also includes all the hardware. So the T-channel nuts and bolts to attach it to the side of the Ibex. And it's got these solid metal brackets right here that attach to the side, so that way you can mount these things. So also a cool feature is you've got the amber diffusers. So if I wanted to switch out this clear white, I can diffuse it with amber. So this is around 1,000 lumens, and this drops it down to, I think, 300 lumens. So significantly less bright, but once you try this out, I think you might like it. So we're gonna try both. Let me show you guys how this thing's actually gonna mount. Is you get the bracket, there's 1 screw hole here and a screw hole in the back. So I'm gonna thread the cable through the notch right there. And then this thing is gonna sit up underneath. And there's a T-channel on the back side that you're gonna thread those T-channel nuts through, so the wire would be hidden underneath. Now I can light up the entire side of my truck. Think about how cool that's gonna be when you're setting up camp, to have these rock lights, be able to flip that switch, turn a couple 1,000 lumens on this side. Awesome. So I'm real excited to get this thing installed for you guys. So that does it for the unboxing video. We're gonna circle back around once we get these installed. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Thanks for sticking by the channel, guys. We'll talk to you guys on the next one.